Hey, it's Dan. We're back for another Mastering Collectify, and today we're going to talk about Station. Station's one of our community tools, and it allows you to build gated content. Coming over to Mathverse, the Math Wallet NFT project, Mathverse uses Station for its Mathverse Congress. You see we have news, both private and public, and a discussion forum, as well as a staking feature. I'm going to show you how to make this, as well as the newer feature, address gated. All you have to do for that is simply connect your wallet, and you get access to the private information on the platform. It also gives you access to discussion. And this can be a great tool if you're looking to build a log or you want to have a hub for your community before you launch any tokens. The address one will also connect with any other data that you have on the wallet address. So for example, this one knows to connect this address to my account on X. The best part is it's really easy to do yourself, and I'm going to show you how right now. First, we're going to make address gated. All you need for this is a description and a name for whatever you're going to call your project. Maybe throw down a little image too. Here's some stuff I prepared earlier. Most importantly, address gated is our option. That's it. You've already made your station. Couldn't be easier. Now, first thing, you probably want to customize it a little bit. We have these features here. I'm going to just go over a nice black color, and Quantico looks pretty techie to match the theme of this project. If we go through, we can already see that we've got the basics with just no content. So if I want to add some content, from the dashboard, I just go to news, add something new, and I'm choosing here whether it's public or private. Let's just leave a nice public post welcoming people to our new platform. And I'm gonna include an image to this. We have a pretty straightforward HTML block here. Add the post, and as you can see, there it is. Our new welcome post is there. If I want to make that private, I can actually just do that at any time. If I have to join the station, just click here and it just connects the wallet. Easy as that. You just have to refresh the page to see the content. And there we go. That's an address gated station, and I think that took me all of 90 seconds. Next, I want to talk about token gated communities. To do this, I'm going to just hop over to another chain where I've already created some ERC721 projects. Okay, you'll maybe have seen that I made some BNB based projects earlier on. Here we go. What I'm going to do is the land project that I made a long time ago. I'm going to make a little station for that. I want to get a bit of a community hub going on for people to talk, but I want to introduce staking to my project too. So going to station again, I have to copying a contract address to my clipboard. We're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to choose NFT gated. We're just going to pop in all the information here. We can fill out certain things like the marketplace link later. Okay, so that's all filled in. And now we're going to add staking, which is down here. Staking is pretty straightforward here. What it does is after every 30 days, it counts as a milestone, and the NFT gets given a rank on the station. You can then download the information on which NFTs have achieved which rank, and this allows you to say, for example, if you needed to hold an NFT for 2 months, you can just say everything that's rank 2 on this date will be eligible for a future allow list or whatever it is you want to add. Now, stake is a pro feature, and I've mentioned this before, but right now, all you need to do to access Pro is get in touch with us, and we will link you up with the Soulbound token that gives you access to this set of features. We're going to go ahead and just create this right now, and we're here. Easy. Now, first things first, we're going to go and sort out our theme for this one. We're going to do this gray color. We're going to use this font instead, and news, as you saw before with the other project, this is where you add your news and your updates. Data is, of course, where you export the spreadsheet format of the stake rankings of all of the NFTs being staked. And now you can see we've got news, public and private. We've got a discussion forum. We have a staking platform. And all of this requires me to join, which I can do because I hold several of these NFTs in my wallet. In fact, it will actually show me all of the NFTs I am holding. It's quite a lot. And that's going to do it. We're going to see you in the next one. And good luck building your new station.